Hello and welcome. Today I have another interesting story for you. Once upon a time there was a old man and he spread rumors about a young man who was his neighbors that this young man is a thief. As a result, the young man was arrested, but soon after he was released after being proven innocent. The young man then sued the old man for wrongly accusing him. In the court, the old man told the judge that these were just comments and they did not harm anyone. To this, the judge told the old man that whatever you have said about the young man, write it down on a piece of paper, and on your way back home today, cut the paper, tear it off, and then throw it while you are returning home. And come back tomorrow for hearing the sentence. The next day, the old man appeared in the court, and the judge told him that before receiving the sentence, get all the pieces of paper that you have thrown yesterday. The old man said, I can't do that. The wind must have spread them and I don't know where to find. The judge then replied, in the same way, simple comments may destroy the honor of a person and it will be very difficult to fix it later. The old man realized his mistake and asked for forgiveness. In life, sometimes we have to take care that we do not spread anything about anyone without knowing all the facts and without knowing if something is true. I will see you next Sunday. Thank you for watching.